So you're unsatisfied with your smile and you think that straightening your teeth might be the right solution for you, and you want to make the best decision moving forward with that treatment. Well, this video is for you. We're going to be covering 3 of the most important aspects to making a very wise decision in aligning your teeth.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Barbara Jurim.
I'm Dr. Alan Jurim.
My brother, and we're here at Integrated Dental in Woodbury, New York. We'd like to discuss the latest in dentistry and help educate people on what's the best way to make a decision when it comes to your smile.
So whether you're looking into Smile Direct Club, Invisalign, Candid, braces, there's 3 things that are generally very important for you to know and to take into consideration before jumping into any treatment. Number 1, you're going to want to make sure that the dentist is going to be able to do a complete evaluation to make sure you don't have any tooth decay. This is huge. Regardless of the fact that you don't have any symptoms or any pain or any discomfort, tooth decay can exist. And it really is a concern for us because whether you do Invisalign or traditional braces, if that decay is left around for a couple years, that can be a very bad scenario.
So whether it's gum disease, a cavity, periodontal disease, make sure you see a dentist before engaging any kind of these therapies so that you have a good oral health condition and can undergo the orthodontic therapy the right way.
And one of the key ways we're able to do that here at Integrated Dental is through our comprehensive series of photographs, x-rays, and a very thorough comprehensive oral examination to make sure you're free of these challenges before beginning any clear aligners. And that brings us to number 2, and that is in order to get the alignment or really the smile that you're looking to end up with, we have to understand some of the limitations that clear aligners have. First and foremost, if teeth are misshapen and teeth are small in proportions to other teeth, well, clear aligners aren't going to change the shape and the size of your teeth.
For example, if somebody has a missing tooth and we don't plan out that treatment to make room for the dental implant while undergoing the clear aligner therapy, then we may have just set up that patient for failure. Because if we close that space during the orthodontic therapy, we're not going to have room for that implant in the future.
Another example is if a patient has a pegged lateral or a very small lateral tooth, and we don't have the proper size even for the future, we have to plan for that at this point of your treatment.
At the beginning.
We want to make sure that we have everything set up for success. So once the clear aligners are done, you have that ideal, perfect smile you've always dreamed of. And that really brings us over to point number 3.
Not all aligners are created equally. Some are physically incapable of doing the same tooth movements as others. And what do we mean by that? Well, certain aligners that are prescribed by doctors allow us to put certain little buttons on the teeth so that we can leverage certain torques and movements on the teeth to extrude the teeth, have them come down, or maybe rotate them in a manner that other aligners just can't physically do. Really
what it allows us to do is be much more predictable in how we can move the teeth compared to some of the online providers that are available to us. Certainly it's a good idea to have a doctor fully evaluate you, make sure there's no decay, and put together a plan that allows for optimal attachments to be put on the teeth that will make your treatment much more predictable, make the outcome much better, all while making sure that we don't cause any harm or any disease throughout the process of your clear aligners.
And for those patients that may have been discouraged by submitting to Smile Direct and perhaps have been rejected by them because they just physically can't achieve the movements that you're wanting, we've had patients come to us, and in turn, when we've submitted to Invisalign, they've been successful candidates for that kind of treatment.
So there you have it. I mean, these are some of the most important tips that we found in our experience with clear aligners that we wanted to share with you to make sure that ultimately you have the most successful experience in generating that perfect smile for you here at Integrated Dental.
So if you're interested in knowing more if Invisalign or another clear aligner therapy is right for you, we invite you to click the link because right now we're running a special offer. We hope to see you soon and meet you to get you that very beautiful smile you've always wanted.
Take care.
Take care. Take care.